Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel UKTechians. I'm Aruj Khalid and it's my very first tutorial on Android development. I'm using Java language to develop Android based application. Before starting our very first tutorial, I write description link on for to download Android Studio, Java SDK and step by step uh, to download and install Android Studio in their SDK. Basically, it's a platform to develop Android applications for different versions. I'm using Android Studio version 4.1.1. Let's begin and create a new project. Okay, there are some are using empty activity for now. It's a introductory video, so let's start. Okay, name, we are mentioning here project name, it's demo app. Okay, we can change the package name. You can write anything like UKTechians dot demo app. Okay, now we have a location over here, app directory, Android folder, and then demo app, so we can change it anywhere. For now I am creating here a folder, right, Android projects. Okay, in Android projects there is a subfolder for our app, that is demo app. Okay, and we are using language, there are two language for Android Studio. We are using Java language for now, and minimum SDK I'm using Android Jelly Bean. Okay, what are the versions of Android I will discuss in this video. Let me tap finish. Okay, while it's building application, now I discuss about what is the versioning. Okay, versioning is about we use various phones, smartphones, Android based smartphones, and there are some types like Nugget, Oreo, Marshmallow, Pi, and other. So when we developing an application, we need to um, add minimum SDK and targeted SDK, and there is an all. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's very first thing in our application. Basically, it's the main and important class or XML file for our application, in which we store important informations. Okay, like manifest is a heart of an application or a brain of an application, we can say that. Okay, before going to any other thing, let's discuss this. When we are creating application, we write some package name that is store in this file. Okay, and what application and what are the elements of application we are using in it. We are adding some properties like icon, label, theme, and support, and allow backups, etc. There is a main and basic element here, that is activity. What is activity and why it is storing information in manifest file? Okay, so we are describing properties of activity in this opening tag, and while we using this tag, we can also write up other component or sub component for the application or activity, right? Like I can hide this. I'm To hide this, I am using these key, like selecting this, control and backslash. Okay, I just forgot to mention this. Okay, let's start. Activity, it's a tag. Okay, why it's giving dot main activity? Because it's on the main directory, Java, our package directory, and this is our class. So enter. This is our class and we are using main activity. So this is not a closing tag, but this is a tag to using sub elements for this activity tag. So if we close it here, we cannot access other properties, but when we close it outside, this will allow us to enter sub tags. Okay, so intent filters are the actions. Here there are some actions that we can say, that user perform sub task on this. Okay, action means there are a lot of action: intent application, uh, launch application, or anything I want to perform. Or intent means I will discuss about intent and filters, but later on. But for now I'm just giving a hint that we can perform some task over here, and we are typing like action and write name, and action equals to main. This is it. Okay, then we have another tag called category. What category of this intent will be? It will be a launcher application, launcher activity. Launcher, I said before that we can create actions on it. Okay, if we use this, it will close. Okay, so we created an activity that is a main activity, and we declare it in main manifest file to see that it will run as a launcher. Okay, I have to check that it's an activity that is created by us. Is it running or not? So I click it, and so here is my phone. Okay, and for now I can show you my activity is running or not. If it's run successfully, it will launch my application. Meanwhile, I can use Visor. Visor is an emulator to show what my mobile is running on, which type of application or what's inside my mobile device. I want to show that if it is running or not to end this tutorial, and I will continue this tutorial and show layouts and other components. It's a introductory tutorial, that's why I just want to show you. while it's launching, let me show you layout. Okay, this is a layout view. Okay, and this is my XML file. Okay, and this is a text, and this shows it's saying hello world. Okay, so I think it's built. Yeah, I guess it's installed. Okay, and it's working. So here is our first tutorial. It's not seems good, but it shows hello world. I will try to upload it soon with second tutorial, which I will show how to add text, buttons, or how to perform click, and what are the Java functions or methods we are using to implement or to create our project, or make it perform beautiful tasks. My first task will be to create a form, sign up form, like login form, creating password, IDs, etc., and using method override, overload. They are the part of the Java pillars, and I will discuss about Java on my next tutorial. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.